What up YouTube, we are back, got ourselves another unboxing. This is the iBoot from Mechanic. Now my trusty little mechanic tweezers are here, so I decided why not buy this thing, because I'm seeing other people have used this thing and it's really effective. It's a good little digital sort of thing, which so I've got one that plugs into my hot air station, and this was a brand new one. I think this was the one that powers externally, so I'm going to go ahead and just think. Main reason is why is because it's difficult. It's just time consuming having to charge batteries and having to plug them in and then test them out and then put them inside the phone. It's just going to save so much time, and I said, you know what, why not hit the punt and get this thing. Anyway, go ahead and open up the packaging and from here. Okay, that is the inside of it. So it has your power boot wire and it has the box unit itself. So let's have a look at the cables it comes with. So this box comes out like so. There you go, and open up the box, and inside is all the wires you need. So instructions comes with the whole mechanic face. Thank you for purchasing more warm information. Let's check out this little thing here anyway. Okay, we're back. Got a phone through there. Get the phone at the wrong time. Anyway, we've got ourselves our cablings here. So these are all the USB, so it's just standard USB cables, and each one goes to a connector. So let's have a look at these connectors. So you've got this one here, it's iPhone 8 Plus, little battery connector there. One here for the 7, just there. And we've got one here for the 6. Then we've got some little crocodile clips here. And we've got one for the XR just there. Got one for another 7. It's the 4.7 inch version, whereas this one was the 5.5 inch, which is the Plus. And then we've got one for the 6 Plus, 6S, 6S Plus, another one for the XR. What was one? Did the XR? Or did I go back? Okay. So the next size there as well. A standard micro USB cable that goes there as well. Then the XS and the XS Max use the same thing there. iPhone 11 Pro Max and the iPhone 12 Mini or Pro Max. I'm assuming that this one, the iPhone 11, is also going to be for the Pro and the Max, and this one's for the 12. I'm not sure if the 13 is the same connector. I'm not entirely sure, but yeah, connectors are there. So that's all the connectors that come inside. I want to keep them safe, because the last thing I want to do is have these connectors tossing around and we've got a bunch of cables, because the little connectors in the front can be pretty fragile, so it's best to keep them as they are inside the packaging that it comes in. Anyway, just jump ahead, have a look at the actual box itself. Now, this is the intelligent digital control boot box. So like this thing up, your mechanic, what is that again? It's instruction information. Yeah, it is the instruction guide right down there, and this is the box itself. So so here's the box itself. It can be powered off micro USB. Also there's a 5V 28V jack there as well. Also you can power it off this, so I can plug this into my hot air station, power it off there as well. Also it comes with this little thing here. So this is 2 wires to a connector that goes there, and in the front you've got yourself 4 USB 2.0 ports, USB 3.0 port. I'm not sure what this black one is. There might be USB 1.0 port or something. But anyway, yeah, iBoot box. Got my little box there as well with the power thing there. Let me just plug in a micro cable and see how this thing powers up. I should have a spare cable just flipping around here. There it is. So micro USB cable in the back of this thing. There you go, as so. Now I thought I was going to get one with a USB-C, but it's fine. It does the job really. Press that button just there for power. It doesn't stay on, but it just presses down for power, I guess. What does it? It's meant to stay on? I don't know. Anyway, power button is pressed there, so it exhibits power, and that's literally it. And yeah, and tells you exactly how much is being drawn and how much power is being drawn just there. Now, this has been the Mechanic iBoot box, and yeah, should be pretty effective, pretty useful. checking out some of my phones and stuff that I need to get fixed. And yeah. And anyway, this has been Ace. As always, like, subscribe. Peace out. Or Ace out.